So we come into my profile on my freecash.com, and as you can see, I've earned 10,367 points. I've actually also done about 23 different completing offers. A lot of the ones I've done here, guys, have been little surveys, that sort of thing. Some of the surveys you don't actually end up doing the survey because it's not compatible, and you just get a few points, 10, 20 points, something like that. So that's why I've done quite a few offers. But as you can see here, the first couple of days I actually didn't do anything. So I actually joined back on the 1st of August. Today is the 7th of August, and if we go over to Google, type in the time and date, and as you can see here, it is 19:32 on Saturday the 7th of August. Okay, so it's less than a week and I'm ready to pull out. In fact, I could have actually pulled out yesterday. I would have earned over the 5,000 limit that I would have needed. So let's just run through different ways you can actually earn on Freecash. As well as, like I say, you've got the featured offers here, which is obviously different surveys, different games and that you can play. And this is where, if you are a gamer, this is where you can literally rack up the points very, very quickly by actually playing games. Okay, they've got some offer walls here as well, and as you can see, they do a different leaderboard here, and that leaderboard is $1,000 daily they give away during August. And as you can see, these people here, 98,000 points in one day. Okay, and he's actually received 100,000 points, which is about $100. And these pay all the way down to level 250, guys. So if you were to do some of the games and that, you could very easily get on this level for the daily payout. There is also a monthly payout as well, which is $5,000 monthly payout, which you could get onto as well. So once you've earned the points, obviously you can then obviously withdraw them. Okay, so you would go to the shop tab here. And as you can see here, there are various ways in which you can actually withdraw. We're going to quickly run over and we're going to actually choose PayPal here. Okay, we're going to go to PayPal. And as you can see, I could have withdrawn $5 here, guys. So that would be the minimum payout. But I'm going to actually have earned enough to withdraw $10. So I'm going to choose the $10 here. We're going to come down and where it says withdraw, we're going to click on the withdraw button. It's as simple as that. Now, for the purpose of this video, you're going to pull out to my Coinbase address here, which is a free site which you can actually sign up for. Then after that is just add in my amount of coins I actually want to transfer across. Well, I'm actually going to do 5,000. Okay, and then literally I will just click on withdraw. And that's it. Then it would actually go through directly into my Coinbase account. Now, because I'm not actually verified on the website, someone will have to verify my actual transaction first. So it could take a little while. But at the moment, we are looking at the time as being 19:50 on Saturday, August the 7th, like I say. So it'll be interesting to see how quickly that does actually go through. But remember, because I'm not verified, that will take a little bit longer. So as you can see here, I've still got 5,000 coins left as well, which is great. Like I said, if you are a gamer and you want to be able to earn money really quick and playing some of these games that they offer here, such as there's one here, so like I say, Raid Shadow here. And as you can see, you're going to earn 27,000 coins by completing the following task. You've got to install the game, open 2 void shards in 10 days, and it's new users only, remember. So as you can see, if you're into gaming, this might only take you a few hours just to complete, and you're actually going to get 27,000 coins for that. So straight away, you could be, just by completing one of these tasks a day, you could quite easily be in the running for the $5,000 for the monthly leaderboard. Say if you got 27,000 points, you could easily earn, look, this will get you 27,000 points on the daily total, would actually get you on the leaderboard at position 19, okay, which actually would get you another 10,750 coins absolutely free of charge, guys. So you'd end up with 37,000, which equates to about $37, okay. So that's not bad for a single day's work, is it, guys? And like I say, this might only take you a couple of hours to complete the game. So that's what I'd recommend. Obviously, if you're not into gaming, then you can still earn money, but you'll obviously just earn it a lot slower by just taking rewards, watching videos, doing that sort of thing. There are also other rewards that you can actually get as well on the rewards tab here. And this is, you get a daily reward here, which I've already claimed mine for today. And you get various different bonuses, promo codes, that sort of thing. So you need to check out the Freecash Twitter account. Oh, and there it goes. Look, it says here, withdrawal confirmed. Your 5,000 coins withdrawal has been confirmed. Okay. So if we go back over to the time and date here, and refresh, so it was 7:50, so 7:53, so that was 3 minutes, guys. So that's how fast the Freecash is. Right, this was a brand new account, my Coinbase account here, brand new. I've only just set this up, and as you can see here, I've got a portfolio balance of £3.59, and that actually came in on August the 7th at 7:53. So there we go. That confirms that it's in my account, in my Coinbase account, and I can then do what I want with this, guys. If you want to collect the Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other cryptocurrencies in the Freecash, then obviously check out the Coinbase as well and get a free account on Coinbase, and then you can then transfer it out very, very quickly. And there are zero fees, guys, absolutely zero fees for doing that. So like I say, that is super quick, and I was actually talking about promo codes here. If you actually go to Twitter and follow Freecash, so this one here was a promo code a couple of days ago, which just as I joined, so it was a little bit late for me, I didn't get it. But if I would have put in $1,000 daily with 2 Ys, that would have been the bonus code. I would have got some bonus points there just for putting in that code. So keep a check on their Twitter feed as well. So make sure you go over and follow them on Twitter. And again, obviously, you actually get points for doing this as well. They've got Instagram coming soon, and they've actually got their app coming soon as well, which I'm sure they're going to give you more points just for downloading the app. Don't worry at the moment though, because I've done a lot of their surveys and that I've actually done on my mobile phone, just by going through the Google, google.com, and you can go on their main website and still do the participate in all the stuff and play the games, and then obviously download the games and play them, etc., to get the points. So that's how fast it is to actually go and earn money with Freecash. So check out Freecash, and what I'll also do, by using the link I've got in the description below, you'll actually receive a bonus from me of 100 coins to get you up and running. So you're already 100 coins, plus if you then go and follow them on Twitter, get your daily rewards and all things like that, you could have 200 or 300 or 400 points very, very quickly, guys. Okay, so and remember, you only need 1,000 points to actually pull out on Bitcoin. You don't need an awful lot. Okay, like I say, this is by far and away the quickest site that I've actually come across, which you can actually earn the money and draw it out, guys. So check out Freecash today, and let me know in the comments below how quickly it took you to go and cash out. It's obviously taken me about 3 days to get the 10,000 points, and then obviously I've pulled 5,000 of those out in just 3 minutes, guys. So that's all it's taken is to get the money out is 3 minutes. Okay, so I trust you like that video, and how quick was that? Just 3 minutes just to pull out the cash there, guys. So that was super fast. Obviously, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, then obviously make sure you do so now. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make new videos. Don't forget to watch this set of videos next. These are more videos about how to make money online on the site, some of the sites that I would recommend. And also don't forget to check out freeskins.com and get your 100 points bonus by joining through the link in the description below. Okay, that's it for today. We will see you on the next video.